How to set up or start a food truck business here in Paris, France. Naisip mo din bang dalhin ang lasa ng Filipino food sa heart ng Paris? Imagine serving adobo, lumpia or halo-halo habang dinadayo ka ng locals at tourists. Ang food truck business ay isang exciting way para ma-share natin ang ating kultura at masarap na pagkain sa mundo. In this video, ituturo ko sa inyo ang step-by-step guide paano magsimula ng food truck business sa Paris. Especially para sa ating mga Filipino entrepreneurs. By the way, I'm Yang Santiago, a business owner and isa ding OFW dito sa Paris, France. Hindi talaga ako mahilig magluto, honestly. I don't really spend time in kitchen. Pero mahilig talaga akong kumain. Every time na nasa labas ako, I always look for street food. Gusto ko kasi yung casual vibe habang kumakain, parang mas enjoy ako sa food. Pero habang umiikot ako sa Paris, lagi kong iniisip, bakit parang walang Filipino food truck dito? Ang daming masasarap na pagkain sa kultura natin na pwede nilang ma-enjoy. Pero parang hindi pa siya visible. That's when I realized this could be a great opportunity for someone who loves food but doesn't know how to cook. It's a passion and bringing something new to the street of Paris. Kaya kung kagaya kita na gustong i-share ang Filipino flavors at magdala ng bago sa Paris, this guide is for you. Step 1. Understand the French food truck market. Ang Paris ay isang hub para sa food lovers and people love exploring international cuisines. Kaya ang Filipino food ay may malaking potential dito. Isipin mo kung gaano kapatok ang adobo, lechon kawali, pansit, lumpia o kahit halo-halo sa Parisian foodies. Highlight ang unique flavors ng Pinoy dishes. Bago mag-start, visit other food trucks sa Paris para malaman kung ano ang trending at kung saan ka pwedeng mag-stand out. Step 2. Legal requirements and permits. Kailangan mong i-register ang business mo sa French government. For Filipinos, important na may legal visa at residency ka para makapag-operate. Mag-apply ka ng food truck license, authorization do station mo, temporary. Kailangan mo rin ng food safety certificate, certificate d'origine alimentaire, food truck parking spots. Kumuha ng permiso mula sa Mairie, Paris City Hall, para sa designated location ng truck mo. Kung hindi ka sigurado sa process, mag-consult ng local business expert or lawyers para sure na kumpleto ang requirements mo. 3. Invest in the right food truck. Pili ng food truck na pasado sa French food safety standard. Dapat kumpleto ito. May stove, may fridge, at ventilation. Pwede kang bumili ng second-hand trucks sa website tulad ng Leboncoin o sa mga specialized food truck suppliers. Customizing your truck. Make it unique Pinoy. Gawing jeepney-inspired and design or lagyan ng Filipino cultural symbols para mapansin agad. Step 4. Create a menu and pricing strategy. Gumawa ng short menu na madaling lutuin sa maliit na kitchen pero authentic at appealing. Pwede kang magdagdag ng vegetarian o gluten-free as their option. Alamin ang presyo ng ibang food truck sa Paris para maging competitive pero profitable ka pa din. Subukan muna ang recipes mo sa friends and families to get honest feedback bago mag-launch. Step 5. Marketing yung food truck. Make sure na may Instagram at Facebook page ang food truck mo. Para doon mo i-post ang mga mouth-watering photos, schedules or locations mo. Makipag-partner sa local food bloggers or Filipino community groups para ma-promote ang truck mo. You can also join communities. Sumali sa mga organization tulad ng FEIAP, Filipino Entrepreneur and Association in France. Ang FEIAP ay isang supportive community ng mga Pinoy entrepreneurs na nagtutulungan para mag-grow ang businesses nila. Dito ka makakahanap ng connections, advices at even collaborations. Emphasize what makes your food truck unique. Authentic Filipino flavors, vibrant truck designs, or special weekly dishes. Step 6. Build your network and community. Connect with the Filipinos in Paris. Join community groups, mag-attend ng events, or mag-network with other entrepreneurs. Makakakuha ka ng valuable support at connections. Work with local vendors. Mag-source ng ingredients sa local markets or Asian grocery stores in Paris para fresh at authentic. Sumali sa food truck festival para mas makilala ang brand mo. Step 7. Overcoming challenges. Language barrier. Kung hindi ka pa fluent sa French, mag-aral ng basic phrases para mas madaling makipag-communicate sa customers at suppliers. Cultural differences. I-adapt mo ng konti ang lasa ng pagkain sa mga locals. Pero huwag kalimutan ng authenticity ng Filipino flavors. Consider also the weather issues. Paris weather can be unpredictable. Kaya consider offering delivery services during winter or rainy season. Starting a food truck business in Paris is not just about selling food. It's all about sharing Filipino cultures and creating a community around the flavors we love. Naniniwala ako na ang Filipino cuisine ay may kakayahang gumawa ng global impact. Your food truck could be the next big thing in Paris. And it all starts with your passion and dedication. Kung handa ka nang simulan ang journey na ito, follow the steps and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tips. Salamat sa panonood and good luck sa inyong food truck adventures. Kita-kits tayo sa Paris.